त्या खाशेल्या कार्यावळी ट्रॅव्हलॉग ह्या सिरीजान आयज आमी फोकस करता इज अगेन स्कोडा ब्रँड. स्कोडा ब्रँडा बद्दल जर आनीक चड उलोवपाक जालें जाल्यार तुमकां याद आसतलें आमी पयल्या प्रोग्रामान वी हॅड इंट्रोड्यूस द सुपर्ब कार टू यू. बट खूब जाणांनी आमकां विचारलें की वाय वॉज ओनली रॅपीड फॉलोवींग यू, वाय वॉज नॉट इट शोकेस. सो ह्या एपिसोडान आमी स्पेशल फोकस करता ऑन स्कोडा रॅपीड ब्रँड आनी हाचे बद्दल चड जाणून घेवपा खातीर आयज आमी आवर्जून आयल्या मडगांव शोरूमान तांच्या आनी मेळपाक विदीत काणकोणकाराक आनी जाणून घेवपाक वॉट इज दिस ब्रँड ऑल अबाउट अँड मोर इम्पॉर्टंटली फोकसिंग ऑन द रॅपीड कार. सो कम फॉलो. Hi Vidit. Good to see you. Just want to know more about the Skoda and obviously the Rapid car that we have. I think we'll have a seat and discuss.
Yes.
Well, Vidit, thank you very much for joining. And my viewers were very interested. They were very keen to know more about Skoda brand. Yeah, I last time explained केले, but they were more specifically interested in the Rapid model that you have. First of all, your association कितकी वर्ष झाली with Skoda now?
Me as a salesperson over here for 3 years.
Okay, 3 वर्ष झाली. So how have you seen the brand evolve over this course of time? Especially जर आम्ही चालले in Goa and more importantly South Goa because we are in South Goa today.
Yes, basically here हांगा कशें आसा की as in India as Skoda it's come for last 20 years. Okay, so गोंयान आतां last 3 वर्सां जाली हांव as a consultant for Skoda I am there. The evolution is basically the sale. The customers have start knowing the brand very well from past years when since 2010 the Skoda गोंयान आयिल्ली आसा. So last 10 वर्सां लोकांनी खूब ट्राय केल्लें आसा how the cars are and now people have come to know what is Skoda is all about.
More importantly, sir, if I ask you, what is the difference between the Skoda car and the other car that you have in the market?
Basically, I would say, Skoda is all about simply clever features, something about, they are more known about performance, about the engines, the TSI engines, what they are offering on the Rapid currently, that performance of the car, and much important point is what everybody wants is the safety of the car, which is much better than other than the meaning they are against opposition cars.
Okay, हांव जर तुका विचारीत की आतां हो खूब अर्ली आसा क्वेश्चन, why should one buy a Rapid car or a Skoda brand is obviously safety feature is one, the simply clever features that you have. I think there are, if I want to specifically ask you in terms of Rapid car, what are the key features, USP features that you have that all the viewers should be interested in?
Main is the performance. The engine is so good, the performance of the car is so excellent. Once you drive it, we'll have a test drive of the car. Once you drive it, you'll feel it. That is the main thing about it, and rest everything is about the safety of the car, the looks of the car. It gives you a road presence is there of the car, and basically the space inside, then the features, there are very simply clever features which are much convenient for day-to-day life, what are given on the car. So that is the thing. That's basically a full value for money car.
I think my viewers would be very much excited by now listening to the features and obviously knowing the brand. I think it is now time that we should also hit the road and also experience the vehicle. So should we move?
Yes, we can go for a test drive. Yes.
the road, experiencing a beautiful drive, obviously with the Sabjawada, and more importantly, तुमका सगळ्यांक प्रश्न असतलो की कोविड टायमार how was Skoda or maybe how the other brands were coping up with it. म्हाका सांग, this was a tough time that everybody has seen. तुका especially Madgaon showroom or Skoda showroom here in Goa, how things were for you here?
Initially, we started with on a low scale. Starting, it was very difficult.
In terms of comfortability, I think adding thoda वेळ आम्ही मातशी drive करता. Let me experience how the Skoda Rapid is, and then we will do a detailed review with it. He's the sales consultant at Skoda brand, and we will know a lot more about this brand. And obviously, the most important question is the mileage and the price point that every Indian is obsessed with. So let us enjoy this journey with Skoda. driving us across on this beautiful test drive of ours. With it, म्हाका एक सांग की when it comes to the performance, जेन्ना आमी पळयता की power असपाक जाय and all those things, in terms of engine, what would you like to say about the Skoda Rapid?
Basically, see, this is a new engine what Skoda came up with after we switched to BS6 norms.
Okay.
So this is a completely a new engine which has come in the Indian market. Okay, people, most of the people whoever has taken the deliveries have experienced it, given us a very good feedback about the engine. To tell you about the engine, it's a 1 liter TSI engine, which is a turbocharged stratified injection, which gives you a very much good quality drive when you're experiencing on highways and all. It's very good.
Okay.
So that is the thing about the engine. It's a 1 liter turbocharged stratified injection at 110 bhp at 175 newton meters of torque, which is the performance of the car basically.
Okay.
Yes.
म्हाका आनी एक सांग, when it comes to varied variants म्हणटा पळय आमी in a model, so when you say Skoda Rapid, you have a lot of variants also?
We have altogether 5 variants. Okay, from the range of the variant starts from a rider vehicle, that is the Rider Plus model what we are offering. From there goes to Ambition. Then we have something called Onyx, which is a special edition. Okay, then we have the style variant. Whatever we drove in that car, that is the style variant.
Okay.
And there is something called a special edition what Skoda has come up with, the Monte Carlo edition,
Okay.
which is specifically in red color. So there are altogether 5 variants in there.
Okay. Also, when you say it is a 4-seater basically
yeah.
vehicle. Okay, fifth
Five.
can be accommodated
yes.
kind of a thing. So 5-seater म्हणा किंवा एक family जर म्हणटा आमी, when they travel, when they do a short visit, maybe occasional visit, when they do a long drive, when they go for a vacation, also depends upon the comfortability. Now comfort, obviously I have experienced it, is whether it is front seat or the back seat, comfort is superb. But when it comes to boot space is also important, because तू खंय जर long drive वता जाल्यार you also carry a lot of luggage. How is the luggage perspective, especially the boot space that you have?
The boot space of the Skoda Rapid is 460 liters, which is a quite huge boot space. As you said, for a long drive when people are going for a trip or a tour, it's quite spacious to keep up luggage for 4 to 5 people. And yes, you have a lot of space inside as well for the people to have a comfortable drive.
Okay.
Yes.
See, when I see a car, obviously the performance is important, बाकी सगळे गजाली आसा, but म्हाका the look is always something that appeals. That's the first impression that you create. Second impression is always, I've loved the interiors. Whenever I sit in the car, I always like to look at the interior, whether it is dashboard, whether it is seat covers, whether it is the comfort, whether it is the AC that you have, whether it is front or back. How do you evaluate your car when it comes to Rapid? In terms of luxury or in terms of comfort zone that you provide?
Comfort, basically, now as you spoke about the interiors are, we are offering 3 different types of interiors in Rapid. So basically there is interior which comes with black and beige interiors, then something full complete black interiors are there which gives you a sporty look. Then there's something called black and grey interiors which comes in an Oryx variant. Okay. So we are offering 3 different types of interiors which gives you a different type of looks. You have a sporty look, you have a premium look, you have a classy look on the vehicle. So those things are there. So premiumness is there basically. It looks premium towards when you look at the style variant, that is our top end variant. When you look at the Monte Carlo, which gives you a sporty look. So that is the thing.
And the most important thing is, my viewers by now are enjoying this particular program. Now they are coming to the basic point, is what is the price segment that this vehicle is available. And having said that, if they want to convert this, if they want to make a purchase, then is there some add-ons to it, or maybe a scheme kind of a thing, especially when you are into a new year?
Price range of Rapid starts from 7,69,000 ex-showroom price till it goes till 13,49,000. So that is the range of the cars what we are having. And if you go to see, we are offering different types of scheme for government servants. There are doctors who are there, professionals who are working, then corporates, basically corporate companies. Like there are a lot of corporate companies which are there in Goa. So corporate discount is there, government servant, corporate, basically that comes in one segment. Then something called, we have exchange bonuses. If you have an existing car which you need to exchange, we are offering exchange bonuses on the particular variant and whichever car is there of the existing customer.
Okay. Also, important thing is the mileage. You know, everybody in India is very self-obsessed कि mileage कितना देती है. When you speak about the variants of Rapid, what is the mileage that you offer?
So basically, if you go to see from the base variant till the top end variant, is the engine is the same, the gearbox is the same. Almost for all the variants, across all the variants, you'll get the same mileage. The company ARI mileage tried and tested is 18.96. What company is offering. Practically, if you go to speak on the highways, it should give you approximately 17 to 18. Okay, so 18 kilometers per liter. And why it is, because I'll tell you the reason behind it is a 6-speed manual gearbox, so which gives you a higher fuel efficiency rate and more shifting. There's less shifting on the car as well due to the performance of it.
Well, thank you very much for sharing such a valuable information. I think sir, माझे viewers are interested. The reason why we are doing this particular program is first time जेन्ना आम्ही program केलो with Skoda, we introduced the Superb and we traveled with the car. There was one car that was following us was Rapid. खूप जणांनी आमकां विचारले की why not Rapid? So we did this exclusive program on Rapid where we showcase the entire features. Now if you are interested, obviously you need to visit the group priority showroom of Skoda, whether it is Panji or whether it is Margaon. So do visit. जर तुमकां जर कितें क्वेरी आसा जाल्यार विदीत सारके लोक तुमच्याकडे थंयसर ऑब्वियसली हेल्प करपाक आसतले टू मेक अ डिसिजन एन इन्फॉर्म्ड डिसिजन. That was all from this particular program introducing the Skoda Rapid. I hope तुमकां हो program आवडलो आसतलो आनी आवडलो जाल्यार definitely check out the car. Do test drive, because the moment you test drive, you will be very much impressed, because we have been impressed. Our crew has been traveling throughout the day and we have been very, very impressed with the car performance. Udit, thank you very much for joining us and sharing such a valuable information. I hope आमच्या सगळ्या viewers-अंक ते आवडले आसतले. So you would like to say anything at the end of the program?
I would like to say people to visit showroom, experience it. I know a lot of people think that our cars are expensive, but our on-road price starts below 10 lakh rupees. Okay, so and it gives you a lot of features in the base variant as well. So I would like people to come visit us, have a look at it, give a test drive, take a test drive of the car, and then take a decision, I would say.
So do visit, test drive, and get impressed, and obviously then you can make an informed decision.